Hello friends, welcome to Taste of Mountain. Today, we are cooking something incredibly delicious and smoky chicken angara. This recipe is full of bold spices and rich flavors that will transport you to food heaven. Let's get started. First, take 1.5 kilograms of chicken in a large bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of ginger paste, 1 tablespoon of garlic paste, 200 grams of sauerkraut, 7 to 8 spicy green chilies, slit lengthwise, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, a half tablespoon of turmeric powder, half a small cup of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of cow ghee, and 2 small cups of mustard oil. Mix everything thoroughly to coat the chicken evenly with all the spices. Marination is the key to flavor and tenderness. If you like our video, please subscribe to our channel Taste of Mountain and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss our new recipes. So let it rest for 2 to 3 hours for the best results. Now, heat 200 grams of oil in a wok and add 4 to 5 medium-sized chopped onions. Fry the onions until they turn golden brown. While the onions are frying, let's prepare our special chicken angara masala. Heat a pan and dry roast the following spices: 2-inch piece of cinnamon, 7 to 8 cloves, 5 to 6 green cardamoms, 1 big cardamom, 2 small pieces of meg, 12 to 15 black peppercorns, 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds. Stir lightly, then add 4 to 5 dried red chilies and 2 tablespoons of coriander seeds. Roast for a while. Then add 7 to 8 cashews and 5 to 6 almonds. Roast everything until aromatic. Let it cool and grind into a fine powder and set it aside. Now check the onions, they're beautifully golden. Add the puree of 3 to 4 fresh tomatoes. And a half tablespoon of salt. Stir and cook until the oil separates. Next, add the marinated chicken to the wok. Stir gently and ensure everything is mixed well. If you like our video, please subscribe to our channel Taste of Mountain and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss our new recipes. Keep stirring occasionally and cook on medium heat to prevent the spices from sticking to the wok. After 8 to 10 minutes, when the oil begins to separate, taste the salt. Adjust as needed. I'm adding 1 more tablespoon. It's time to add our special chicken Angara masala. Stir and cook for just 2-3 minutes, as these roasted spices don't need much frying. Add a little water to adjust the consistency and cook for 4 to 5 minutes. If you like our video, please subscribe to our channel Taste of Mountain and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss our new recipes. Sprinkle roasted kasuri methi, fenugreek leaves, and freshly chopped coriander leaves for an added burst of flavor. Finally, to infuse the smoky Angara essence, place a small steel bowl in the center of the wok. Add a burning piece of charcoal inside the bowl and pour 1 teaspoon of ghee over it. Immediately cover the wok to trap the smoky aroma. Let it rest for 4 to 5 minutes on low heat. Now, remove the lid, take out the bowl, and let the heavenly aroma take over your senses. Check the gravy consistency. Thick gravy works best for this dish. Your chicken Angara is ready to serve. Pair it with tandoori roti or naan and enjoy the smoky, spicy goodness in every bite. Happy cooking!